Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. So I had thought I'd come on here real quick and show you guys what I just got in the mail today. I just got home. It's actually 12:08 midnight. So yeah, I'm a little tired. Working with teenagers kind of gets you. So I had ordered 3 pallets in my Colorpop Colorpop order. So I'm really excited to get them and just to check them out. I forgot to get scissors, so I'm just gonna grab the tape here, and then I need to do that with the So I've never tried this product before, and I was like, oh man, I've seen people try it. They're affordable and all that. So I'm just really pumped. Alright. Is there anything else in this box? Nope. Okay, it's just a really cute box too. It has like the butterflies in Colorpop. Alright, so ooh. You light up my world. That's cute. So I got a card about that. And then here are my 3 palettes. So my first 2, I'm actually really excited about, are the Frozen 2 palettes. It's Elsa and Anna palettes. Ooh, and it has okay. I really like the packaging. Look, so on the back here, it tells you like the colors of the names. I'm really excited about it. I actually might keep these packages. Ooh, and it has the names of the colors too. And here's the front. So pretty. Look how pretty these colors are. So pretty to try these. I cannot wait to try these out. Cannot wait. I'm gonna take off. Ooh, I'm gonna. And they're so buttery. Oh my gosh, I love the way these feel. So this one is called Northern Lights. Let me see. Oh wow, so pretty. It comes on so smooth too. Like, it's a really light shade. It's like a pink. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try another one. I'm gonna do this blue matte right here. Hold on. It's called Winter. Ooh, and even the matte is like so soft. Oh, it goes on so nice. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Cannot wait to try this. It's gonna be so awesome. Alright. This is the Elsa one. The Elsa palette. Elsa pressed powder palette. And this is Anna. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I love it. So this is what the front looks like. And then it has the shade names in the back. And look how gorgeous these colors are. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. I really want to try this. It's called Arendelle. It's the glitter right here. Let's see how this comes on. Not bad. Usually a lot of glitters are like hard to put on. But it goes on very nicely. It's a gold. So, Arendelle. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna do this shade right here. It's a maroon glitter. It's Warm Hugs. Ooh, man. It's so nice. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So excited. Love these palettes already. Oh my gosh. So this one, my next one is like a little out of my comfort zone, which is like, I don't even know, but I'm really excited to try it, and I want to try it today. So I hope you guys like it. It's actually called Main Squeeze. I'm really excited about it. Oh, this is like different. Like the other two palettes were like a different material or something, but this one is like a plastic. Plastic feel. Looks like someone just literally put a nail through this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this is the palette that I got today, or that I'm going to put on today. So I'm really excited. So I already put like my face on, and I'm just gonna oh, it's my dog. I'm gonna just put some eyeshadow on. I don't even know where to start. My dog is getting so loud. Alright, so I'm gonna start with Frozy. I'm gonna start with this top shade right here. It's like a matte. And just go. Now, I don't normally do like a lot of reds, but I really wanted to try it. It comes on nicely though. I like it. I just didn't want to like do like a really heavy look, just because it's midnight and I'm like, I don't know. But I just knew I wanted to use this palette. I was like, oh my gosh, I got to. You know, I just had to try it. I'm actually relatively hungry. Yeah, I didn't even do my eyebrows. I forgot my eyebrow stuff because upstairs my fiance is actually sleeping. So I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna wake him up. I'm just gonna bring some stuff down here and do my video, and bada bing, bada boom. I do know this, so I'm so going to wash my stuff, wash my brushes and stuff. All right, let's see. I'm gonna do a little bit of Baywatch, which is like a brown shimmer color, and putting it like right through here. And doing it on the other side. Right. And then I'm gonna use this Juicy Fruit. It's a gold shimmer. And I'm putting it on the inner lids with my fingers. So pretty, look at that. Right. Um, all right. And now lips. Alright. Okay, so I am almost done. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys liked the look that I've created today. Yeah, it's not that bad. I really like the eyeshadow. I mean, what do you guys think? I hope you guys liked it too. But literally, like, the only shades that I had used so far is Froze, which is this matte peachy red color right here, Juicy Fruit, and then also Baywatch. I'm sorry, the lighting kind of sucks, so yeah, but I'm using my light right now, and I hope you guys liked it. I like it so far. I mean, it's such a great colors. I mean, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying this look. Oof. Looking good. Sorry, I'm feeling myself. But I hope you guys all liked it. I was actually quite surprised that I got my Colorpop really early. I was supposed to get it, I think, Saturday, and I literally looked at my email and was like, oh, I'm getting it today. Okay, I'm good with that. Fine. Sweet. I'm hoping to be back on here tomorrow, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do a Colorpop look, or if I'm gonna do a different product. I have a bunch of stuff that I've had, and I'd like to be able to do some of those shades. So I might do something else, but yeah, I hope to see you guys soon, and like I said, I hope you guys like this look, because I definitely feel it. If you guys liked this video, make sure that you like and share and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I will write it down in the description on what I had used today, which is the Main Squeeze Colorpop palette. I'm really happy about this, so if anyone loves reds, by all means get this product. It's amazing. Let me check to see how much it cost for you guys, or I can tell you guys whenever. I'll tell you guys in the descriptions on how much these palettes cost, and you guys can literally just go and check it out. But yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow, and we'll see what we're gonna do, because all the way from, just so you guys know, from pretty much tomorrow, the 27th, which is actually today, all the way up till like Monday, I will be doing makeup looks, and then I will be doing another unboxing from Lorella mystery boxes. I ordered 3 mystery boxes, so I should be getting that in the mail sometime on Monday to Tuesday or Wednesday. So who knows? Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!